Now, give me answer quickly. 1 plus 1. 3 plus 2. 4 plus 3. 7 plus 1. Now, quickly. 5 minus 3. 6 minus 3. 5 minus 4. Okay. 5 minus 1. No, 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 4. 7 minus 3. 10 minus 3. Now 9 minus 4.